Hey everyone, I wanted to do something a little bit different on this one. I finished growing a plant and I wanted to save the cover crop, but I also had to re-amend the soil. So I figured why not just cut the top layer of the cover crop out, save it, re-amend the soil, and then just put the cover crop back on top. So here you see I just took a regular spackling trowel and I used it to cut the roots all the way around. Then I split it in half and I put it into the box for later use. Now that I got the whole top layer off, it's time to dump the cocoa based potting mix into the bucket and re-amend it. 10 tablespoons neem seed, 8 tablespoons crab meal, 7 tablespoons insect frass, 10 tablespoons alfalfa meal, 5 tablespoons langbionite, 7 tablespoons oyster shell, 7 tablespoons calcium carbonate, 7 tablespoons azomite, just because I'm trying to get rid of it, 3 tablespoons granular humic, 5 tablespoons dolomite, 5 tablespoons gypsum, 2 tablespoons biochar, 4 tablespoons diatomaceous earth, a gallon of fresh cocoa, just to make sure that we have some fresh medium, because when removing the root ball, we took out some of the medium and threw it away. Another super important ingredient, the secret sauce, fresh earthworm castings. I just took my vermihut bin and shook a few of them in there. A few of the live worms fell in. That's all good, no problem. Mix up the soil, get everything ready to fill up your container again. Now, as you backfill, make sure you use some cool effects to make it go backwards, because why not? Technology, right? Now that we got the whole container filled up, make sure that it's level, and then we could go ahead and put the cover crop back on top. Gently place it back. After this, we're going to water it in really nicely to make sure that the roots are happy and they could continue growing. And then you'll have enough space for a solo cup. Happy growing!